How do you say, what's your name in French? The phrase, what's your name in French is comment t'appelles-tu? Comment t'appelles-tu? For example, Salut, comment t'appelles-tu? Salut, comment t'appelles-tu? Hi, what's your name? If you want to be more polite, especially with someone you don't know well, you can say comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? This means the same thing, just using the vous form instead. For example, Bonjour, comment vous appelez-vous? Bonjour, comment vous appelez-vous? Hello, what's your name? So if you want to say what's your name in French, you can say comment t'appelles-tu if you're being informal, and comment vous appelez-vous if you're being formal. If you want to learn to speak French, you can get my course 3-Minute French by going to www.3minlanguages.com. And if you use the code WELCOME on checkout, you can get a discount.